This is the Investors Chair podcast with Ivyn Sambo. Let's talk about investments in South Africa and also look into saving and more. Guys, so do ensure that you like and subscribe. Let's all get better. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to the Investors Chair podcast with myself, Ivyn Sambo. Today, guys, I am covering my top 5 companies in the JSE that I will be watching for the rest of this year. These are companies that I will do 2 things. Number 1 is either I will buy more shares of them, meaning already I own them in my portfolio and I love them so much that I will buy more of them. Or number 2 is either these companies are new to my portfolio, I will buy them for the first time this coming 4 months of this year. Guys, as always, nothing I say in my podcast constitute as financial advice. Is only for educational purposes. So guys, let's jump right straight into my top 5, guys. At the number 1 spot, this may be surprising to a lot of people, but at number 1 spot, guys, I have We Buy Cars. Why did I pick We Buy Cars? Number 1, the value of the distribution business model for the informal sector. What do I mean the informal sector? Number 1, guys, We Buy Cars focus on reselling second-hand cars. And a lot of that second-hand cars are in the informal sector, meaning people are sitting at home, want to sell their car because they want to downgrade, upgrade, whatever reason they have. We Buy Cars has one of the most disruptive business model in that space, in the second car industry. Not only is that business model disruptive in nature, but also it is formalized in the manner that even someone who's looking from afar would see We Buy Cars a lucrative or option or lucrative marketplace to sell their old car or even buy a car for themselves. And also, guys, We Buy Cars has revolutionized the South African automotive selling space. And not only that, guys, but they have incredible technology behind how they are selling. Have you guys downloaded the We Buy Cars app before? That app, guys, is created in a manner that's so beautiful. The algorithm of that app targets you directly. It knows you. And I love that, especially when it comes to selling cars. And not only that, guys, but it aligns with a lot of customers' interests, the way they sell their cars, how they do everything. And also, I love the fact that We Buy Cars are accessible everywhere. You go to a mall, there's a We Buy Car container there. You go to a business park, there's a We Buy Cars there. They are everywhere, and I love how they are doing business. This year alone, guys, in the past 12 months, they've seen up to 100% growth in their shares in the JSE. Their PE ratio is sitting around 23.04. They have a market cap of around 22 or 23 billion rand in South Africa alone. And not only that, but they dominate. They are dominating the space they're in. And they are still planning to go into Africa. They're busy there in Morocco. They're busy there in some African countries as well. I want to see them go into Africa. And I know when We Buy Cars go into Africa, we as shareholders will be eating nicely. So We Buy Cars is my number 1 company. We're buying more of it. Number 2, guys, I have Discovery. I know Discovery is not a surprise to a lot of OGs. A lot of people have been watching my YouTube channel for a while. They know how I feel about Discovery. I'm a big fan of Discovery. Discovery remains as one of the most innovative financial service firm. I use the word firm because not only does Discovery offer medical aid, offers life insurance, offers gap cover, it offers banking, it offers car insurance, it offers home loans, it offers a lot of things under it. It's a financial service firm. And not only that, but we as clients, not only am I a shareholder of Discovery, I'm also a client of Discovery, and I'm part of this Discovery account. Because customers of Discovery, guys, we are in a cult. And that cult loyalty that customers of Discovery have makes me believe Discovery is one financial service provider in South Africa that no other can compete with. Not only that, guys, Discovery is offering around a potential growth of around 16%. That's forecast in the next 12 months. 16% growth is forecast in the next 12 months for Discovery. Not only that, guys, but they're operating in a diverse field, meaning there's a lot of product that offering you as a shareholder diversity, because within Discovery you get a lot of sectors they operate in. And I'm still just the one thing, let me be honest with you guys, one thing that keeps me focused on buying more shares of Discovery is the cult client loyalty they have. And as a shareholder who wants profit, you want that in a clientele of a business you are a shareholder in. So that's why Discovery is my number 2 to look up to buy for the next few months. To buy more, actually. Number 3, guys, I have Impala Platinum Holding Ltd. Guys, Impala Platinum Holding is a strategic company in South Africa. The reason why I'm saying the strategic company is because it has selected itself to be a prime player in the platinum market sector. And globally, guys, we're seeing the world demanding more of platinum. That's why you've seen so much the share price of platinum in the last 12 months going up to 112%, because the demand is there. There's no other reason why I'm picking Impala Platinum besides the demand for platinum, not only in the African or European relation, but the global relation. And that's why Impala Platinum is my number. I don't want to go more into it. The operational cost, their discipline in terms of managing their finances, that speaks a lot. That speaks volume about this company. Impala Platinum is gold. As much as it's operating in the platinum sector, itself as a company is gold for me. Guys, I can do a whole YouTube video. Let me know, guys, in the comment of this video if I should do an entire podcast episode in audio and video just dealing with Impala Platinum. But there's so much I can speak about this company, that the global demand for PGMs is remaining very strong. Not only that, but the year-to-year reward and performance. Their secular strategy in terms of sector which they operate in, the discipline in terms of cost and how they operate, the financial management, the leadership. There's a lot I can speak about Impala Platinum. It's my top 3, guys. It's number 3. Number 4, it's still my number 1. For those who are watching this, listening to me, watching my videos, listening to my podcast for the past 4 or 5 years, PPC Cement. I will never lose hope into PPC Cement, guys. PPC Cement is a direct beneficiary of South African infrastructure redevelopment. You can't speak about South African infrastructure without speaking about PPC Cement. The amount of government deals they have, the amount of government benefit they get in the infrastructure development of government. Not only that, but in the private sector also. And also, guys, with a 5-year total shareholder return of up to 641%, a dividends yield. No, I'm lying with dividends yield. I think I'm lying there. I never got received dividends from PPC Cement. I'm lying there. But their regional diversification, guys, as well, in terms of their operation, in terms of being in Botswana, Zimbabwe, and other SADC countries, and how also the law on how cement is operating in South Africa benefits PPC Cement, in my opinion. And that's why I will keep on. You can wake me up at night and ask me what's my top 5. PPC Cement will always be there. Whether it's number 1 or whatever, it can move up and down, but will always be in my top 5. And then in terms of number 5 position, guys, I have the one, the only. First time I'm talking about this company, I think in my whole life making content, it is Growthpoint Property Ltd. Why am I picking it? Growthpoint, guys, is a sustainable player in terms of the property market. It is South Africa's largest REIT company. When you talk about REITs, property listed company, real estate trust in the JSE, Growthpoint is the largest one. When you talk about property in the market in the JSE, you can't talk about it while talking about Growthpoint. And it offers a balanced long-term strategy in terms of the asset value. If you're looking for long-term investments, it's one of them to look into. And not only that, guys, I pick it because it has a strong balance sheet in terms of their reporting every single year. And not only that, guys, they have a strategy in terms of domestic assets that they have, because the properties they manage, the malls that they have, the office spaces they have, it's strategically located, every single one. Every time you see a Growthpoint mall, look at how it's located. Even if the property value of other places can drop, the malls they are located in will always benefit. And they always have a huge clientele in their malls, a huge clientele in their office spaces. I'm just naming that as a side comment. It's an ideal it's an ideal place for me. It's an ideal company for me in terms of growth, in terms of being in the market, in the property market, and in terms of being in the commercial property market. Something I want for myself in the next few months, and I want to play into the commercial property space. And I think this is the right player for me to enter that space and see growth for myself. So guys, this is my top 5 in terms of why I choose Growthpoint. Just summarize it: the largest real estate investment trust in the JSE. Also it also pays a good dividends. Also, it also has a huge offshore international property market or property operation as well. Not only does it operate in South Africa, but it's also international as well. And also their commercial property in terms of malls, office spaces. I love it. That's why I'm picking it. But those are my top 5, guys. Let me know. Did I miss? Did I land? Did I pick wrong companies? Let me know, guys, in the comment section of this episode. But until next time, guys, do remember, nothing I say constitutes as financial advice, but it's only for educational purposes. Until next time, guys, be blessed, be safe, and happy investing.